Hey everybody, it's MetalSnow 007, and today I have another epic review for you. Today we're going to take a look at Disney Pixar Cars Todd PIzza Planet truck, released in 2014 into the RSN Racing Sports Network line of the Mattel Disney Pixar Cars series. This looks like a pretty awesome item. It hasn't been released for a couple of years, and it looks awesome. Because the Todd PIzza Planet truck, actually it's just called the PIzza Planet truck, it's an Easter egg, and you can find it almost in every Disney Pixar movie, which is really cool. It's always somewhere. So, let's take a closer look at this awesome item. Here is the Todd PIzza Planet truck. He is a 1/55 scale die-cast item made from Mattel, and he has no stickers. He is nicely detailed and has a big plastic Pizza O Planet rocket on the top of him, and a plastic trailer on the top, and more plastic up here. He is nicely detailed. He has the big yo on the back, which is pretty cool. He looks exactly like the one from the movie, except with eyes and a mouth. He is a really nice item. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. This is an awesome item. I totally recommend him. You should really try to find him. And I picked him up at Walmart, but you can probably find him anywhere, because he is a really awesome item. Even if you don't want him, still get him just to keep in the packaging, because he is a Disney Pixar Easter egg, and he is seen in almost every Disney Pixar movie. So he is an awesome item. Make sure to pick him up. Thank you, and have a great day.